दोस्तों आज का हमारा विषय है व्हाट आर ग्रासलैंड डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ ग्रासलैंड फाउंड ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड। अ ग्रासलैंड इकोसिस्टम इज अ ड्राई एरिया ऑफ लैंड डोमिनेटेड बाय grasses. Huge trees and shrubs are very rarely found in these regions, which is mainly because of the climatic conditions and other environmental factors which do not withstand the plant's requirement. Grasslands are also called a transitional landscape. In a grassland ecosystem, the vegetation is dominated by the herbs and grass. These ecosystems are mainly found in regions where there is a scarcity of water and not enough and regular rainfall to support the growth of plant and forests. The grasslands ecosystem lies between the deserts and the forest ecosystems. Savanna grassland and temperate grassland are the some examples of grassland ecosystem. There are many other types of grassland around the world which go by many names. Grassland of South America are known as pampas and Central Eurasian grassland are referred to as steppes and so on. There are two types of grassland. Grasslands are subdivided into two types. First is tropical grassland. Savanna, steppes, great plains of the Midwest, Palau's prairie and prairies are the best example of tropical grassland. These regions are warm throughout the year followed by dry and wet seasons. They receive an average annual rainfall ranging between 30 and 35 inches. These tropical grasslands are characterized by tall grasses or relatively short grasses. The second is temperate grassland. Temperate grassland are similar to tropical grassland except for the climatic conditions. They have cold winters and warm summers with 30 and 35 inches of annual rainfall. Shrublands are the best example of temperate grassland. Now let us see the name of different grasslands all over the world. Here is grassland and here is region. Steppe is found in Europe and North Asia. Pustas is found in Hungary. Prairies in the USA. Pampas in Argentina. Wild in South Africa. Downs in Australia. Canterbury in New Zealand. Savanna in Africa and Australia. Taiga in Europe and Asia. Selvas in South America. Okay. This is the most important topic. Grasslands of the world. Here is grassland, here is region. Steppe is found in Europe and North Asia. Pustas is found in Hungary. Prairies in USA. Pampas in Argentina. Wild in South Africa. Downs in Australia. Canterbury in New Zealand. Savanna in Africa and Australia. Taiga in Europe and Asia. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a great day.